Hello guys, if you want to edit players in College Football 27 Dynasty mode, the process is pretty simple, but what you can change depends on the type of player you are editing. To get started, open your Dynasty, then move over to the Team tab by pressing R1 on PlayStation or the red bumper on Xbox. Scroll down and select the View Roster. Next, highlight the player you want to edit, then open their player card by pressing triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox. From there, switch over to the More tab by pressing R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox. Then choose Edit Player. If you are editing a real life NIL player, there are still some restrictions. You won't be able to change their name, position, jersey number, body type, ratings or animations. Those options remain locked just like in the previous game. However, you can still customize their equipment that includes helmets, face markings, arm sleeves, leg sleeves and other gear options. There are also more equipment choices available this year, giving you extra customization compared to the previous version. Now, if you are editing a generated player such as a recruit or fictional athlete, you will have far more freedom. Follow the same steps to open the Edit Player menu and you will notice that several additional options are unlocked. You can change the player's name, jersey number and handedness from the player info section. You'll also be able to edit all of their ratings. However, some settings are still locked. You can't change their archetype, abilities or position from this menu. In the appearance section, you can modify the player's body type, height and weight. Keep in mind that the available weight range depends on the body type you choose. The equipment customization works exactly the same as it does for NIL players, so you can update all of their gear if you'd like. You can also choose different player stances and running animations, allowing you to customize how your generated player looks and moves on the field. If you are playing in an online dynasty, commissioners can control who is allowed to edit players. This option is available near the top of the league settings menu, where editing permissions can be limited to commissioners only. That's everything you need to know about editing players in College Football 27 Dynasty mode. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.